How to change color filters on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Color Filters. Color filters can be used to differentiate colors by users who are colorblind and aid users who have difficulty reading text on the display. Over here, turn on the color filters option as shown. As you can see, all the color filter options below will now be available. Choose the filter you want from here. Then, tap on color tint if you want to manage intensity and hues. Drag the sliders below to adjust the intensity and hues. Following these steps, you can easily change color filters on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.